A hiccup is a sharp, usually repeated sound made in the throat. It is by a sudden movement of the diaphragm. This happens when you eat too much, drink bubbly drinks like soda, or swallow too much air. So, hiccups are a way of telling you that your body is trying to get rid of the hot food or gas in the stomach.